what we're going to do, we're going to run through the sequence of service mode and also changing the password. So now for service mode, if I start the vehicle up and I put my password, you get your 2 indication flashes. Now for service mode, you should be vehicle on, outside the place where you're going to be getting the work done or you're going to be stopping. Now on the side, you have the rear fog light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This should now give you 5 flashes. That's it, that's 5 flashes. You just switch the vehicle off and that is now in service mode. Now if you want to collect the vehicle now, I just simply start the engine again, give it a few seconds. I'm going to enter the password. I'll get my 2 acknowledgement flashes. That has now taken the Ghost back into its normal operating mode, out of service mode now. So that is that. Now for changing of your password, I'm going to simply start the engine, place our password, get our 2 flashes to confirm. Now what we're going to do is we're going to hold the high beams, so the one on the left, we're going to pull it towards us, holding it in as we're entering the password. Now I'll show you how that will be. So I'm going to hold it in, enter the password. We should get our 2 flashes as I'm holding. There we go. And once I let go, it will continue to flash, allowing us to change the password. Now, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use the exact same password. I'm going to enter the new password again. This can be a minimum combination of 3 up to a maximum combination of 20. So we get 3 flashes as acknowledgement. I'm going to do the password one more time. We're going to get 2 flashes as confirmation. That's done and saved. If at any point you got 4 flashes at the end of your second password, it means the password 1 and 2 was incorrect and they didn't match. So you retry by repeating all of the steps from the beginning. And that is how you change your password.